Hey guys, in this video I'm going to talk about the Moto G3 after updating to the Android 6.0 Marshmallow. Alright guys, now we can see the device is updated to the Android 6.0 Marshmallow, and I received this update in the last night. So my review is all about what's new after updating to the Marshmallow and how's the performance, is still the heating issues is there or not. So let's do this. So first of all, let me show you the version. So if I go to the settings and now go to the about device, now we can see the model number, a Moto G 3rd generation, and if I go to the Android version you can see the 6.0. So if I press on this, now you can see the Easter egg. So I keep continuously pressing on this. Now you can see the Flappy style game, and yeah, you can see the device is running Android 6.0 Marshmallow. So the major improvement with Marshmallow, as you know, that probably all the features that you probably already know, but when it comes to the Moto G3, so this update is a beast for the device. So the update seems to be very great. So after updating the device from Lollipop to the Marshmallow, so the device is really performing very well. So the device has the performance. In terms of the performance, the device seems to be a very smooth, a buttery smooth. I've felt sometimes, and but sometimes if I play the big games, the frame dropping issues they're still there. So but one thing I noticed is there's no heat is at all, and a lot of people is complaining that in Lollipop, so I'm getting the heat on my device, but probably with this update, so you don't see this. So now I like the animations of the app animation. So when you open the app like this, now we can see the animation comes like this. So it's very nice, and device response of the device is really good, and now you can see the animations. And majorly, if you compare the multitasking compared to the Lollipop, so in Marshmallow, so the multitasking is really a much improved, and the multitasking, it seems to be a buttery smooth, as you can see, and it's very smooth. I opened a lot of apps. So let's say if I open this app, so I want to close this app, so I would like to close this app, so I'm going to open this app, and a lot of apps, so it opens very smoother. So and yeah, it's already it's a stock Android, and as you can see in the Nexus device also it's a pure stock Android. So I seem to be a Motorola didn't had added any features to the device, so it's the same features that you can see in Marshmallow. So let's say if you chop the device like this, and you're probably gonna see the LED light is turned on. So if you again chop this like this, LED will go off. So if you flick the phone like this, now you can see, okay, now you can see the camera got open. So there's nothing changes Motorola did is, so performance is really much improved. You can note that one. So the performance of the device is really smooth, and no heating issues at all. And as you can see, the toggles, you can adjust the toggles now and in Marshmallow. So what you do is just hold this settings gear icon for 5 seconds, and now we can see the wheel is spinning. So I already added this, so it says you can remove or not, so I just cancel this one. So when you remove that, you can see the system UI tuner at the below of the about phone. So when I click on the system UI tuner, now you can see you can change the thing, system UI changer. So if you click on fix settings, you can simply drag and drop the all kind of things. So let's say if I would like to take this out like this, I can change this. Okay, I can drag here. Okay, I don't know how to do this. Okay, anyway, you can do this still, and you can see the add title, and you can see there's titles is there, so you can add the toggles like invert colors. If you go to the sorry for this noise, and if you go to the status bar, and you can simply turn off all the things. Let's say it's Wi-Fi is there, and if you just turn this Wi-Fi, and okay, you can see the Wi-Fi is gone. So but the still internet is in the background is going on still. So if you turn on the Wi-Fi, then it's going to be working. So that's all changes that's done. So I noticed if you go to the storage section, and you can see the Android OS is around at 4.19 GB. So it's like after updating the Marshmallow, so I got around the free space of 11 GB or something like that. So compared with Marshmallow, compared with Lollipop, I got around 10 point something like that. But after updating to the new version, so now the storage is incremented by 1 GB around something like that. So it's so nice to see. So if you go to the another section, if you go to the memory, so now we can see the memory management is insanely improved, and now it's amazing. Now you can see around the free space of around, I can see 1 GB of free space is left, and if I click on this one, now you can see 1 day. Now you can see the free space of the today's is 1 GB of RAM, and if I go to the list all the apps, so memory used by the apps, so you can see the Android OS is using 311 MB. So that's amazing. So I felt so amazing this one. So you can see the system UI is only taking 61 megabytes. So that's very great to see. So the same features as you can see in the Marshmallow in Nexus device, like app permissions, app linking, Google Now on tap. So yeah, we can talk about Google Now on tap, and let's say if you hold the home button, now you can see the Google Now on tap. So basically the Google Now tab is nothing but, so you're going to be detect the information what's on the screen, so you can take a snap of that, and you're going to be navigate to the Google page and going to search for regarding that thing. So now at present it's not doing anything. So let's say if I go to this anyway, if I hold this home button, now you can see the Google Now is actually searching for this. You can simply swipe down to close that Google Now. So all the features including in the device, and there is no changes at all, and there is no improvements, by the way. So as I said, the performance is insanely developed, but some features like the tap to open, I like one feature, like just say if you tap like this, the device can be open. So if you do like this gestures type of making, it's not there still. I don't know. And you can see on the lock screen the same thing in Marshmallow. You can see in Nexus devices the same. Let's say there's the voice search. You can simply do like this. You can Google search it, and its response rate time. And yeah, camera quality, I felt that the camera is being really improved. So let's say if I switch back now, you can see my DSLR camera, and the camera quality is really improved, and I took a lot of pictures and it came out very great. And yeah, as I said, the device is still a 410 chipset, so it's not the very high end, so it's kind of mid-range processor. So but it has a 2 GB of RAM, so while multitasking, so the device response time is very great. So but when it comes to the opening speed, so the device gets struggled sometimes when you play the heavy games like the Relic Run or some games like the Nova 3, so the device gets a struggle. Something, let's say I open this game, a Relic Run, so yeah, let's see if I play the game, now you can see the device gets struggling something, and the animations, the frame drops are insanely going bad. And as you can see, it's still loading in the background. So if I cancel this, as you can see, there you go, the graphics are really not great. So let me go ahead and turn this sound bit. Sorry. Okay, if I click on this girl, and now we can see, as you can see, the frame drops are still going on, but after the multitasking is great. So but the animation or opening time is really very dull compared to the most smartphones, high-end smartphones in the market. So but anyway, it's definitely worth of buying the device. So it has a very great feature, and as you can see, it has the it's a waterproof and everything. It has very great camera. It has 2 GB of RAM. It has a 410 processor. It's a 64-bit, and it's taking advantage, but it's not a sort of the high-end processor. So when compared to the hexa-core processor, 808, 810 processor, or 801 processor, which is very battery-friendly processors. But yeah, this is still a worth of buying the device. Coming to the design of the device is really great. I like the back of the device, and in one word, after updating to the Marshmallow, the device is really blown away, and the device performs very great. And I hope you all getting the Marshmallow update soon. I mean to say, it's still going on. It's a lot of devices yet to receive the Marshmallow, and yeah, you can do let me know what new features that you're facing when compared to the when compared to the Lollipop. What are the new things that you observed or found on the Marshmallow update? So yeah, these are my things that I found to share with you guys. And yeah, this is a very great device. Now the Flipkart is dropped the price for, it's offering for 11K, or now it's very definitely worth of buying. So, and the last but not the least, the battery is really amazing. So now the dose mode is really an advantage for the device, and the battery is really much improved, and I'm getting almost 16 hours or something like that, and it's very great. I haven't tested it fully, so yeah, we'll update you as soon as possible about the battery. And it's, as I said, the battery is really amazing. So, and now the device seems to be very great. And yeah, that's it guys for you, and thank you for watching this video. And if you like it, please let me know in the comment section below what you think about the update of the device. If you like it, please hit the thumbs up button down there and subscribe for more videos like this. And as always, subscribe.